ID for MarketWizard.com and eMiniWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. This is a wrap up of the morning on the 22nd of August, 2019. Originally, our thinking was that the 42s could get tested today and even higher, but we wanted to use those as resistance. 40 and a quarter to 42 and a half was our resistance. We said anybody wants to short, use 38 to 42 range. And no one knows when that trade starts whether or not we're going to come back 5 points, 10 points, whatever. But that was our resistance zone. Support zone was the low of the day until broken, obviously. But we thought aggressively that you needed to be paid by the 30s, the gap trade. And then, of course, after that, we started thinking about the different proportions, and the 27 to 28 we felt was really important. If that broke, then it would open the door to the 21, 22 area, which was the angel, the 21 and a quarter. So on the bust, our thinking was that possibly the boys want to come down and test 15s to 10s. That was the plan originally. And anything below that, good fortune part. And we elected to say, make sure you are paid by the 05s. We think that's the buy zone, using 02 as your stop. So that trade has worked out great for a contra trade. And we use this chart to help us understand that 05 buy zone. We'd come down 7 levels from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a retest of the, we believe, the 18s to 22s. And as such, make sure you're paid if you were in this contra to this range. And admittedly, this is all done hard and fast, so any of this can get retested. We also took a look at this chart, our 2-day chart. And basis this, we thought if you thought gap at 98, it would get us in trouble. So we thought that this should be the theoretical support zone is 02 to 05. Use 02 as your stop and hope that you can get a contra, a profit-taking swing after this great move. 2-way day we call, but this is a little deeper than we expected, no doubt. But our 3 and a quarter T3 helped us to understand, make sure you're paid in here. And that's part of the game. You have to adjust, you know, you're not going to be right every single swing. So first goal is get your stop out back if you got stopped out. And if you were too aggressive long side, we tried to remind our traders that typically we like fed up, and then within a day or two, we like the return trip. And today it just happened to do that rather than waiting for tomorrow. So we're still in a 2-day range. And we believe that we've got the right range for now. Trade inside yesterday's range is now the key. And if we take out the highs from yesterday, then so be it. That would indicate strength. And we're not thinking that's going to happen. But if it does, then obviously these 34s up here, there's got to be the key resistance. And that would be a retest of a break right there as well. Because everything from here happened hard and fast. So paid for sure coming into 18s to 22s. And if you had a good day already, my goodness, lock your profits and go play golf. Catch you guys in the Slack room. One last chart. Angels and demons. double topped in here, just a couple of ticks away, and then the knife starts. So this 24, I said they could even try to get there to the scene of the crime again. That would be a 20-pointer off the lows. And I've got 12, 1175 to 12 as our angel. So usually we'll get back up above that prior low. It might take a couple of swings, but don't be surprised if we get back to test 22 to 24. And now it's time to become conservative and think about what's for lunch. Hope you had a good morning. Catch you in the Slack room.